How to fix a login error on Xbox application. If you're facing issues while trying to log into the Xbox app on your mobile, the first thing you can try to check is the internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data or vice versa. Second thing you want to check is if it's not the issue with the app. So if you're using the Xbox app on Android, you can just long press on the Xbox app. Then what you can do is you can just tap on this I button that will take you to the app info page. Once you're here on the app info page, go to storage. This setting will only be on Android devices, by the way. So you can clear the cache files and you can also try to clear its data. Go to your Play Store or your App Store and of course search for the Xbox app, check if it has an update. If it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. After that, try opening the Xbox app, and if you're still not being able to log in, then chances are it could be due to an incorrect credential. So you want to make sure that your email and phone number that was associated with your Xbox or Microsoft account is correct. Then you want to tap on the next option, and on the next page you want to make sure your password is also correct. If you don't know what password you typed in, you can tap on this eye icon on the right hand side to see your current password. If you forgot your password, you can tap on that forgot your password button over there, which will send a reset link to your email, and you'll be able to reset your password in that way. So hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.